And welcome back to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in the live chat with everyone else. And leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. Now friends, we've got somebody in the comment section who asked one question at first, and that said, how do you know that he's going to lose in court? After all, no one has ever seen that video, and you think it's by chance or design. I'm not quite following you there, but anyway, they go on to question another one saying, have you ever seen one lose in court? Very rare, if ever. Okay, well, let's have a look-see.
What's your name? My name is Stephen. I'm here under common law jurisdiction, exercising my rights.
Excuse me, sir. Let's get something straight right away. We're not here under common law. We're under here a statutory provision. That's all I can hear is statutory.
Is this Admiralty law, sir?
This is not Admiralty.
What courtroom are we in? Is this a courtroom?
This is a hearing room.
Are you a lawful judge? Are you a lawful judge?
Administrative hearing officer, employed, not employed, but contracted with D473. Please be seated. Are you Stephen Johnson?
I am the authorized representative.
Are you an attorney? Either you're Stephen Johnson or we're not having a hearing, sir.
I'm the authorized representative.
There's no such a thing as an authorized representative. Either you're Mr. Johnson or you're not.
Sir, today I'm appearing as the agent and settler for David Hall.
Okay, I'm sure the question on everybody's mind, and they're on the edge of their seat, does this BS really work in court? Well, let's see. Here's the case, State v. Grendel. And this fella, he got a ticket for not having his car registered. He pled no contest and was fined $25. Yes, folks, $25 in court costs. And in his brief, he was maintaining that he didn't consent to proceed. Of course they don't. And he argued that he cited to the UCC, the Uniform Commercial Code, that the debtor listed in all caps was an artificial person, separate and distinct from the Kevin B. Grendel lowercase secured party creditor, natural man, sovereign. And he argued that the secure party creditor, the lowercase guy, took control of the all caps guy, straw man name, by recording a lien against it, which is superior to the lien that the corporate government had against the straw man name. Now, this doesn't fool anybody. In fact, the courts say, we note similar sovereign citizen arguments have been raised in the various federal court actions by pro se litigants, albeit unsuccessfully. That's important. Unsuccessfully, meaning it's never worked. And they quote United States v. Beneby, regardless of an individual's claimed status of descent, be it as a sovereign citizen, a secured party creditor, or a flesh and blood human being. That person is not beyond the jurisdiction of the courts. Black v. Florida, petitioners writing his name in all caps letters did not change him from a human natural person to a legal entity, thus depriving the state court of jurisdiction to prosecute him for criminal offenses. Then we have United States v. Curry, rejecting the defendant's claim that the use of capital letters means that the defendant is an artificial or fictitious person. Capital letter argument is unavailing and frivolous. United States v. De La Torre, this court's jurisdiction remains valid whether his name is written in all capital letters or a mix of capital and lowercase letters, or whether he identifies himself as a real flesh and blood man in his private capacity or a sovereign secured party creditor. Furthermore, the UCC has no bearing on criminal subject matter jurisdiction. United States v. Mitchell and Van Hazel v. Luoma, noting that other courts have rejected similar jurisdictional claims as frivolous and holding that petitioner cannot divest the state of Michigan of jurisdiction to prosecute him of a criminal offense simply by declaring a security interest in himself pursuant to the UCC. And so what does all this mean? It means that it's never worked anywhere in any court in the United States. It's BS. Here's 4 other cases. What's interesting is this U.S. v. Kahn case. That was Wesley Snipes' co-defendant in the income tax evasion case. Kahn used this argument. Snipes was acquitted. Kahn did time. So use this junk at your own peril.
I'm not Mr. Johnson. I'm here as an authorized representative of the legal entity, Mr. Johnson.
You're an attorney.
I don't have to answer that question.
Yes, you do.
Am I obligated?
Unless you answer that question, I'm not conducting a hearing.
I'm here in honor, sir. Trying to stay in honor.
Either you're Mr. Johnson or you're not Mr. Johnson. If you're not Mr. Johnson,
I am the legal.
you can't be a legal representative
Yes,
of
I
Mr.
can.
Johnson.
I'm the authorized representative
The only representatives we
of the
have
legal entity, which was.
such thing as a person, Mr. Johnson.
I am a living being. The Mr. Johnson is a corporation.
This is,
I'm not a corporation, sir. I'm a living being.
and so is Mr. Johnson.
No, sir.
It is incompetent, irrelevant, and immaterial.
Well, since Mr. Johnson doesn't appear, I'm going to enter defaults in this.
No, I am here. I am here as an authorized representative and in honor of that legal entity. You can't. I'm here trying to resolve the matter, sir.
Sir,
Are you a lawful judge? You're not here to.
Don't interrupt him. He is a judge.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to
well,
clarify.
Let me
That's all.
I'm going to start this hearing, and then we'll get to dealing. Good afternoon. My name is Richard McManus. I am an independent hearing officer who will conduct your hearing this afternoon. We're here today for a hearing concerning alleged violations of the Colorado Public Highway Authority law as it pertains to the E-470 Public Highway Authority. I want to explain what we're going to do this afternoon. First, you need to know that you may not record this hearing either by audio or video recording. Do you understand that? You understand that?
Sir.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
You're not to record either by audio or video this hearing today. Do you understand that?
I have the right to.
You don't have any right to do anything about recording.
I have a constitutional right, do I not? Does the Constitution does not apply in this courtroom? Is that what you're saying?
Sir, you just tell me you can't video record this thing. So if you have anything that's recording this hearing, turn it off at this point. Do you understand that?
I believe I'm exercising my rights, sir.
I love morons.
You don't have a right to record this hearing. Do you understand?
No, sir.
Second, you need to know that I have no authority to suspend or modify any proposed toll fee cost or penalty. Do you understand that? You understand that?
I'd like to exercise my right to remain silent.
This is not a criminal proceeding. You do not have that right.
I don't have any rights.
You have the right to be represented at this hearing by an attorney. If you're Mr. Johnson, that's what you have a right. If you're not an attorney, you can't represent him. Are you recording this?
I'm sorry?
Are you recording this?
No, I just have the right to exercise my rights. Do I not, sir?
You have all the rights that you have as a citizen of the United States.
If I was a citizen, I'm a natural person, not a citizen. That's a 14th Amendment created entity.
No. Listen, Juan has already graciously explained this whole process to you. This stuff doesn't work in court. None of this Sovcit language word salad you throw ever works. Not once. Nothing. Zippo. Zero. So please, take heed. Juan knows what he's talking about.
Are you familiar with Black's Law, sir? Are you here
I'm
on...
not familiar with all the laws, sir. If you are not Mr. Johnson, we're not going to have a hearing. I'm just going to enter the fall.
I'm the authorized representative of that.
You are not an authorized representative, sir. Now, unless you want to comply with the terms and conditions I set forth here, we're not going to have a hearing.
Well, I'm here in honor as the authorized representative of the legal entity, Stephen Eugene Johnson. There is no Mr. If you put Mr. in front of anything in accordance to Black's Law Dictionary, it is a corporation. Mr. Johnson, Stephen E. period Johnson is a corporation. Stephen Eugene Johnson in all capital letters is a corporation. Anything in all capital letters is a corporation. I'm just explaining the law, sir. I thought you knew it.
I reject that. I'll explain the law to you.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
You're not a lawyer, so I don't accept anything that you say. Now, unless you admit to being Stephen E. Johnson, we're not having this hearing.
I do not do such. I am the legal entity. My name is Stephen. My name is Stephen of the Johnson family. I am not the corporation. I'm not going to enter myself into joinder. No, sir.
You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to enter a judgment against you, which can be enforced in the courts of the state of Colorado.
Well, I guess you're going to have to do that.
Hearings concluded.
Then I can get to the right courtroom.
The court will render a default judgment on all of the violations since Mr. Johnson
I'm here,
does not appear.
Stephen Johnson,
You say you're representative, Mr. Johnson.
of the legal entity. That's right.
Well, default judgment,
Default judgment. I'll be in court. When do I go? Do I know? Am I going to be notified?
Frivolous judgment to the county court in which the various tolls were.
What county is this? Is this state or is this?
These are in Douglas, Adam, and Arapahoe County.
There are 3 different counties.
Okay.
You can appeal it within 30 days of today's case laws.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for joining us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can meet a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to our channel members King Leo 9, Robert Morley, Bandon and Andy, Led Zeppelin World Girl 73, Chris Kelling, AZ Jeepgirl, Wonder Woman Goddess Truth, Pedro Whack-A-Mole, Grendel S Rage, ArchAnglAzreal, Loyal American, and Shawn OldFart. wanìshi. Thank you. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe or click on the link in the description. If you're not subscribed yet, why don't you do that now? You might enjoy it. wanìshi. Thank you. I'll see you soon.